I'm a photographer and I was audited by the IRS twice, and here is what I learned. Here's some ways to make sure, even if you do get audited, that it's going to go a lot smoother than how it went with me. Make sure you keep everything organized. I actually sell a tax spreadsheet that you can input everything like your expenses, contractor expenses. So I would highly suggest you do that, QuickBooks, something like that. Basically, you want to have an itemized list of everything that you do for your business and what you buy. And I talked about this earlier, but always have a receipt. If you have a credit card statement that says you spent $2,000 at Best Buy and you know it was for a computer, that is not enough. You need to have the receipt. Take it a step further, put those receipts in an organized cloud by year. So it'd be 2022, and then if you spent this on equipment, just scan the receipt and put it in a folder on a cloud. Keep up with this all throughout the year. Don't just wait until April to do all of this. Especially if you're going to owe a lot of money, you need to be paying quarterly. Keep your business expenses and your personal expenses separate. It would be best if you had a specific card, debit card, credit card, whatever, that you use for all of your business expenses. That way you know everything you do is from that or from that account. Let's say you have something you're like, can I write this off? If you don't know 100% for sure, I'm going to say it's not worth it. So I don't even mess around with that, because the headache of this audit was enough to make me just, if I am not 1,000% sure, then I'm not doing it. Hire a CPA for your photography business. It is not enough to just go to your local tax filing service on the corner block. That's not enough. You need an actual CPA, because they are going to tell you what is legit, what is not legit. That was one of the biggest mistakes that I made. So make sure to have a CPA. It is going to cost you, okay? So it's not going to be as cheap as the filing system or doing it yourself, but it is going to be worth it. Let's say you get audited, they're going to help you through that audit if they were the ones that filed your taxes. Let's say you get paid in cash. Did you know when you get audited, they will ask for every single bank statement? So let's say you deposited that cash into your bank account, they're going to ask you where that cash came from. So you want to make sure you are reporting all income. However that comes to you, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, you report all income.